What do very old homes and small ultra-modern apartments sometimes have in common? A troubling lack of closet space. In these types of situations, you have to deconstruct the way you think about storage. We've compiled 15 innovative IKEA clothes storage ideas that will help to see your closet situation or lack thereof in a whole new light. 1. JONAXEL shelving unit with clothes rail. It can be difficult to keep things neat and tidy. JONAXEL storage system lets you utilize the spaces you have in smarter ways. You can build a combination that fits exactly your needs and use it almost anywhere, even in humid bathrooms and laundry rooms. 2. IVAR storage system adapts to your space. The open solution with durable bamboo shelves creates an attractive display of your belongings. 3. STORSTABBE hanging storage with 7 compartments. Here's all you need for a mini wardrobe or extra set of shelves. Simply hang it in the wardrobe or on a freestanding rack. The side pockets come in handy for all your accessories. 4. MULIG clothes bar. Can be used anywhere in your home, even in damp areas like the bathroom and under covered balconies. The width can be adjusted to suit your needs. 5. NIKKEBY clothes rack. Say goodbye to the chair that's overloaded with clothes and say hello to this multifunctional clothes rack. Perfect to hang semi-dirty clothes and organize the clutter in your bedroom or hallway. 6. IVAR shelving unit with clothes rail. Now in the IVAR storage system, there is also a clothes rail, wire shelf, and cover. Perfect if you want to create a simple wardrobe. Easy to fix in place without tools in an existing or new combination. 7. SUNDLANDET open wardrobe. Get ready, grab your things, and check your hair one last time in the mirror. This open storage keeps clothes, jackets, brushes, and accessories in one place to make life easier when you're on the go. 8. MULIG clothes rack. Can be used anywhere in your home, even in damp areas like the bathroom and under covered balconies. The plastic feet protect the surface against scratching. 9. SKUBB compartment box. In a drawer or a shelf, or even on top of the dresser, the SKUBB compartment box can be dropped in to provide a divide and conquer strategy wherever it's needed. 10. ALGO wall upright. A versatile system for the pantry, laundry room, or wherever it's needed. Just click the brackets onto the wall uprights to add a shelf or accessory. It's easy to add or remove parts as your needs change. 11. STUVA Malad wardrobe with storage bench. A big box for toys and a spacious wardrobe for both hanging and folded clothes. There's also a private corner for reading and relaxing. A practical combination that makes everyday life a little easier. 12. Sonja Sand. A classic design with paneled doors never goes out of style. Are you on your way? Use a full-length mirror so you can see your outfit from top to toe. Psst, please attach it to the wall. 13. HEMNES open wardrobe. Sustainable beauty from sustainably sourced solid pine, a natural and renewable material that gets more beautiful with each passing year. Like it? Combined with other products in the HEMNES series. 14. PAX wardrobe. A great solution for narrow, often crowded hallways. The storage is shallow and has sliding doors that don't get in the way when you open them. 15. RIGGA clothes rack. You can easily adjust the height to suit your needs as the clothes rack can be locked in place at 6 fixed levels. There is room for boxes or 4 pairs of shoes on the rack at the bottom.